A world that's gender equal to me is us not even having to say it's equal. Somebody like me, like a woman of color, playing a role like Ariel, for that to not be a shock or a surprise to people, for us Black and brown women to just be able to be anything that they want to be. We can make beautiful noise by doing the things that we love and lifting each other up and making a better world for each other in the end. My name is Halle Bailey, and I chime for equality of opportunity, dignity, and safety.